I was showing someone 3-card Monte and I said, this is your lucky day because today you have double the chance of winning some money. I have 2 groups of 3 cards. Each group has a money card and a couple jokers. The 9 is the money card. Over here, the money card is the queen. Now you have double the chance because all you have to do is guess the location of one of the money cards and you win $1. You only lose if you get them both wrong. So let's play Follow the Lady and find the 9. The 9 is in the middle. I'm turning over one of the jokers, so both of them are now facing the 9 and their backs are facing outward. I'll do the same thing with the queen, so it's in between the 2 inward facing jokers and their backs are facing outward. I said, okay, where are the money cards? They said the queen is in the middle here and the 9 is in the middle here. Now at first there was some confusion as to which sides the money cards were on because the queen was over here. I had a joker, the queen, and a joker. The 9 was over here. I said, it's okay. This is double 3-card Monte where you always have double the chance of winning. So we'll play again for $2. Watch closely. The queen is in between the 2 inward facing jokers and their backs are facing outward. I'll do the same thing with the 9, so it's in between. We'll do the funny little slide and the magical pinky flick. I said, okay, now where are the money cards? They said the queen is in the middle here and the 9 is in the middle here. This is when I had to explain about the magical pinky flick. Every time I do that, it causes the money cards to teleport from one side to the other. Joker, the 9, and the joker. The queen was over here. I said, it's okay. Don't worry. This is double 3-card Monte where you always have double the chance of winning money. You're down $3. Let's double that. We'll play one more time. We'll play for $6. This time we'll leave the queen over here just like before. So it's in between the 2 inward facing jokers. Now watch closely. The 9 is in the middle. I'll mix them up a little bit. Now you still have double the chance because you can guess any 2 of these 3 locations, and if one of your selections is a money card, then you win. Now I won't reveal which 2 they selected, but this is what happened. The top card was a joker, and the bottom card was a joker, and the middle card was a joker. Both of the money cards were over here, and I didn't even do the pinky flick. This is when I said, I'm pretty sure you owe me $9. I hope you enjoyed that. This is a brand new routine, never seen before until this video, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But before I do, just remember, if you don't want to know the secrets, then watch no further, because once you do know, you can't unknow. We'll give a couple seconds for those who don't want to know. Okay, here we go. I'm using 6 cards and 6 cards only, no extra hidden cards. And other than the basic handling of the cards, there's only one sleight of hand move you need to know, and it's fairly easy to learn and perform. These are the 6 cards I'm using, and this is the setup order. The first card is the Queen of Spades. The next card is a joker. The next card, the Nine of Hearts. The next card, a joker. The next card, a joker. And this is a double face gimmick card with the Queen of Spades on one side and the Nine of Hearts on the other. You can use a different double face card and just swap out the other 2 money cards appropriately to match your double face card. Use contrasting cards such as a black and a red, and preferably one of them to be a court card, a jack, queen, or a king. The change will stand out better. If you don't have a double-faced card, you can either buy a deck of double-faced cards. Most online magic shops sell them. Or you can make one. I'll leave a link in the description to a tutorial video where I teach how to make your own. You can use double stick tape and tape 2 cards together, but only for practice. I do not recommend using it for performance. There's only one secret move to learn and master, so I'll show that first, then I'll go through the routine from start to finish, explaining the handling as I go, and without the patter or storyline. You can get that from the performance in the beginning. The secret move is a double lift from a packet of 3 cards. It's the easiest double lift in card magic. Square the cards up, put pressure right here and with your thumb, and you're going to smear 2 cards over just a little bit. This is 2 cards. Smear 2 cards just a little bit and grab it right here and pull it out, line these up, and just flip it over. Keep your index finger here so you can square it as soon as it flips. Do it again, pull it out, flip it over. Just keep practicing that. And what you're doing is you're hiding that top card. Do a double lift. It shows the joker. Double lift. Single lift. Now when you single lift, put this little crease of your finger right there. So when you push that single card, you're using that to retain these 2 cards here. And when you do the double lift, you want it to look exactly like a single lift. Double lift. Single lift. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3 motion. So 1 is pushing it over a little, 2 is grabbing it here, now you can let go because you're holding it here, and 3, line these up and flip it over. So it's 1, 2, 3. Do a single lift, push the card over. You've hidden that 9. Start with your cards in setup order. This is the double-faced card. Turn them over, and this is how you can begin. Deal the top 3 cards over so you don't change the order, and lay them down just like I'm showing. Book turn the other 3 cards and do the same thing. You've concealed the double-faced card. This is where I began the performance you just watched, and remember, your spectators are looking this way, and this is the magician's point of view. Follow the handling just as I'm showing, and all the cards will fall into place. Pick up the face down group and make sure you follow the pattern just like the performance, and the timing of your words are in sync with your handling. Do a double lift, showing the joker, double lift, single lift, place the joker down. Book turn these 2 cards over, show the 9. As you place the 9 down, you say, I have 2 groups of 3 cards. Each group has a money card. That card should go down as you say money card, and a couple jokers. The 9 is the money card. Pick up the other group, book turn them over, do a single lift, showing the joker, single lift, place it down. Book turn these over as you're saying, and the money card is the queen. As you say queen, you drop the queen down and flip the joker. Square this group together, and you're going to slide out this card, and this card. You've reversed the order. Turn over this card, which should be a joker, square them up. You're going to book turn it really fast, then you're going to push it down, slide it back up, do a flip like this. And I just do this little pinky flick where I hold real tight here. I just hold it and make that little funny sound, and then do another book turn. What you've done is, those things don't do anything. It's just misdirection. So you're trying to hide that you've flipped it 3 times. Come over here, do the same thing. You're going to reverse the order, turn over this joker. Now this is when you're allowed to turn this one over. This is the only time you're going to do this. Turn it over, it's in between the 2 jokers. Do the same thing, book turn, do the funny little slide, flip it over, pinky flick, turn it over again. This is when you say, okay, where are the money cards? The next move, you're going to pick up this group. You're going to push over 2 cards and just place it on the bottom, revealing the queen. Now you're going to push over, push over, and push over. Now you see I've reversed these two cards. Turn the queen over, showing the back, square them up. Do a double lift, show the joker, double lift, single lift, throw a card down. Flip these over, slide the queen out. Now you can show the back of the queen, and flip those over. This is when you come over here and just open these up, revealing the 9, turn your other joker over. Grab these two jokers, turn them over, scoop the 9. Remember, this is the magician's point of view, so you can see the way I'm doing it. The left side goes underneath, the right goes on top. Keep these in your left hand as you use your right hand to slide these over and drop. So now we're playing again for $2. Pick up this group, reverse the order again, turn over your joker, square them up. Book turn, slide, flip, pinky flick, book turn. Set them down. Do the same thing over here. So you reverse the order, turn over the joker here. Now you can reveal this one, but don't do it. They're going to wonder why you didn't do that one. Just do it that first time. Square them up, book turn, funny little slide, flip, pinky flick. Book turn, and set them down. Following the pattern, you pick up this group explaining about the magical pinky flick. Push two cards over, place it on the bottom. You're going to reveal the 9. Deal them like this. Once again, turn over the 9, square them up, do a double lift, show the joker, double lift, single lift. Turn these over, show the 9, show the back, and flip this one over. Then you can reveal the queen, turn this joker over. Grab these two jokers, turn them over, scoop the queen. Remember, you always have double the chance in double 3-card Monte. This time, you're going to pull this card out. Don't flash your 9. Pull this card out and swap it with this card. Now we're playing for $6. Reverse the order again. Turn this over. Now this time, this is the last move over here. I'm book turning it, and I'm going to grab the two corners here and do a complete full rotation and set it down. Now I've flipped the card one time. It's just a little different than before, so it throws it off a little. Pick up this group, reverse the order again. This time you're going to take the 9 and turn it over and leave it in the middle. Square it up. Now we're going to mix the cards a certain way so it leaves them in a particular order. Grab from the left here and slide 2 cards over. Bring that bottom card to the top. As you do, you're going to slide those 2 cards over, bring a bottom card, and do that 5 times. This is 4 and 5. Spread them out. You've put them in this order. Hopefully you're in that position. This is where you explain they have double the chance because they can select any 2 of the 3 locations. Square these cards up, do a double lift, show the joker, do a double lift, place the joker down. Push the bottom card out and flip it, showing a joker. Now you're holding the middle card, and it's also a joker. Your 9 is hidden here. Spread these cards out, revealing the 2 money cards. Turn this joker over, show that, come back over here, flip it. Now you're left with these 2 money cards, and these appear to be the 4 jokers. This is your double-faced card here, so you're going to take this normal queen and scoop the 9. You can do a book turn, grab it, and set it down. Now in the performance, I scooped it and brought it over here and flipped it. Now I was taking a chance it could have slid apart. You're simply hiding the other side of that card. Scoop it, square it, turn it, drop it. And that is how you do that.